This is my same presentation, but over PowerPoint rather than Prezi. In this, you can see that you can still put a background image, but it's not as visually appealing as the Prezi PowerPoint because you get the two side black bars, and it's more basic than Prezi. You do get animations like you just saw between the slides like that. So there's throughout all the slides you get little animations to make it more visually appealing, but in light sight, PowerPoint's mainly just laying down the facts rather than adding like style and or just more creativity to the project. Where that's the difference between Prezi and PowerPoint. PowerPoint's great for, again, just laying down the facts and really just making a baseline for a presentation for your students to understand like the basic knowledge of the topic that you're trying to establish. As you can see, there's all my slides from the same exact slides from the PowerPoint.